Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make $100 per month doing nothing. So if you look like this website, I earned 55.6 USD only from 83 visitor. Then on public, then I'm going to pictory.ai. It look like $12 from only 82 click. Then I'm going to Fiverr affiliate. Then I get 58 click, but I did not gain any earn and commission. Then I'm going to quora.com. You look like here are 1 lakh plus views from Quora. Then I will show you how you can earn at least 1 million of views from Quora. Then you earn at least $500 per month doing nothing or simple or copy paste work using Chatgpt. If you don't know what is Chatgpt, Chatgpt is a product of OpenAI. It's absolutely free for join 3.5. So just log in here using your Gmail. This is enough for everything. Then I'm going to quora.com. How you make at least $300 per month? This is easy method. So if you look like these questions, I gain 32k views and 15,000 views, 80,000 views, and thousand of view I get from quora.com. Then I'll show you how you can promote your affiliate service on quora.com. Then you earn lots of money from here. So first of all, you need to join quora.com using your Gmail. This is easy. So if you don't know how to join on Quora, then charge on YouTube, lots of video available. Then I hope you are able to do these tasks. Then I'm going to next things. Then if I'm going to this answer questions and answer. One person questions, how much does McDonald's make in a day? Then I'm going to another questions because this is irrelevant for me. It's a good way to use popcorn generator tools. Then how much you need to financial independent. Then you look like these questions are related for me. How do I get passive income in 3 days? Then I'm going to questions. Then I'm going to another questions example of how to hire Victory AI. If you want to join here, this link available in description below. You don't need any website for join this affiliate program because lots of company available on internet, they offer you affiliate program without any website. And I already joined 200 over a site and company, and I mean 50 plus company allow me without website. Then I first recommendation you join those AI or others affiliate program. Then note down on your Excel or Google Sheet. Then go to quora.com. Then charts how to hire freelancer, how to hire graphic designer, how to hire something. This person questions what is the best way to find a hire a freelancer, and keep in mind this person ideal and this person really want to hire a freelancer. Then I'm going to these questions. Then what is the best way to find and hire a freelancer? Then you look like 100 plus answer already. You go to copy these questions, then go to Chatgpt. Then questions this answer. Then please recommend Fiverr. I write because I have a Fiverr affiliate program. Then I recommend you for join this affiliate program for using your Gmail and some informations, but you don't need any website because Fiverr allow without website basically. So go to marketing tool, then default and deep link. Just keep in mind. Then again go to Quora. You can see this a whole answer for these questions. Then I again and copy this answer. Then go to these questions. Then paste here. Then again go to Fiverr. Then copy this affiliate link. Then again go to this website. Then at first sign up and log in, create an account on Fiverr. Then I want to link up here. Then paste your link. Then add. I want to bold this one. Wow, this is look like very nice. Then I'm going to space okay. Now just post, click on post. I promise and I guarantee you, if you are able to answer 10 questions per day and monthly 200 or 300, then you will reach at least 50,000 of lakh over views from quora. Then if you look like last 30 day, I got 72,000 views from quora. Then if you scroll down, 600 and 300 and 500, 1000, and lots of views I gain from quora. So this is simple method. So if you want to more video, please subscribe on my channel. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, and if you feel any questions, please comment below. See you next video. Take care. Bye.